guys, welcome to Babe's Life and the US. Hi guys, and good morning at 9:30 p.m. We are at the rock, guys. Big tree. We need to fix the rope, guys. Actually, right there, guys, is done. This side is not done. That side. This side not done. We need to fix. This side is done. It's done. We need to trim off, guys, because lot of leaves, because of this. Imagine yan. Yan lang kayo, naubos namin layo. Okay. At least done na right there. It's done. There. Next day right here. Oh my goodness. We need to stop na guys. I'm so tired. We need to stop na guys. I'm so tired guys. Construction working si Bibs guys. Bye guys. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe below and thumbs up to our channel and check out our Bibs closet and it's even Mikari, and also check out our video decoration. Bye bye guys, and see you to the next video. God bless you all. Bye.